Hello, and welcome to One Shepherd Ministries. Kurt Risch here, and today we're diving into 1 Chronicles chapter 9, a key passage that transitions us into the genealogies of returned exiles and the faithful work of the Levites. This chapter is a reminder of God's restoration and His plan for worship. If these studies are a blessing to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay connected as we grow in the Word together. Let's go ahead and jump in. So all Israel was recorded by genealogies, and indeed they were inscribed in the book of the kings of Israel. But Judah was carried away captive to Babylon because of their unfaithfulness. And the first inhabitants who dwelt in their possessions in their cities were Israelites, priests, Levites, and the Nethinim. Now in Jerusalem the children of Judah dwelt, and some of the children of Benjamin, and of the children of Ephraim and Manasseh. Uthai, the son of Ammihud, the son of Omri, the son of Imri, the son of Bani, of the descendants of Perez, the son of Judah. Of the Shilonites, Asaiah, the firstborn, and his sons. Of the sons of Zariah were Jeuel and their brethren, 690. Of the sons of Benjamin, Salu, the son of Meshullam, the son of Hodaviah, the son of Hasanua, Ibneiah, the son of Jeroham, Elah, the son of Uzi, the son of Machiri, Meshullam, the son of Shephatiah, the son of Ruel, the son of Ibnijah, and their brethren, according to their generations, 956. All these men were heads of a father's house in their father's houses. Of the priests, Jediah, Jehoiarib, and Jachin, Azariah, the son of Hilkiah, the son of Meshullam, the son of Zadok, the son of Marioth, the son of Ahitub, the officer over the house of God. Adiah, the son of Jeroham, the son of Pashur, the son of Malchijah. Masai, the son of Adiel, the son of Jezerah, the son of Meshullam, the son of Mahilsamith, the son of Immer, and their brethren, heads of their fathers' houses, 1,760. They were able men for the work of the service of the house of God. Of the Levites, Shemaiah, the son of Hashub, the son of Azrikam, the son of Hashabiah, the son of Merari, Bakbakar, Haresh, Galal, and Mattaniah, the son of Micah, the son of Zikri, the son of Asaph, Obadiah, the son of Shemaiah, the son of Galal, the son of Jeduthun, and Bechariah, the son of Asa, the son of Elkanah, who lived in the villages of the Neophathites. And the gatekeepers were Shallum, Akub, Talmon, Ahiman, and their brethren. Shallum was the chief. Until then they had been gatekeepers for the camps of the children of Levi at the king's gate on the east. Shallum, the son of Kor, the son of Abiasaph, the son of Korah, and his brethren, from the father's house, the Korahites, were in charge of the work of the service, gatekeepers of the tabernacle. Their fathers had been keepers of the entrance to the camp of the Lord, and Phinehas, the son of Eleazar, had been officer over them in time past. The Lord was with him. Zechariah, the son of Meshelemiah, was keeper of the door of the tabernacle of meeting. All those chosen gatekeepers were 212. They were recorded by their genealogy in their villages. David and Samuel, the seer, had appointed them to their trusted office. So they and their children were in charge of the gates of the house of the Lord and the house of the tabernacle by assignment. The gatekeepers were assigned to the 4 directions, the east, west, north, and south. And their brethren in their villages had to come with them from time to time for 7 days. For in this trusted office were 4 chief gatekeepers. They were Levites, and they had kept charge over the chambers and treasuries of the house of God. And they lodged all around the house of God, because they had the responsibility, and they were in charge of opening it every morning. Now some of them were in charge of the serving vessels, for they brought them in and took them out by count. Some of them were appointed over the furnishings and over all the implements of the sanctuary, and over the fine flour and the wine and the oil and the incense and the spices. And some of the sons of the priests had made the ointment of the spices. Mattathiah of the Levites, the firstborn of Shallum, the Korahite, had the trusted office over things that were baked in the pans. And some of their brethren of the sons of the Korathites were in charge of preparing the showbread for every Sabbath. These are the singers, heads of the fathers' houses of the Levites, who lodged in the chambers and were free from other duties, for they were employed in that work day and night. These heads of their fathers' houses of the Levites were heads throughout their generations. They dwelt in Jerusalem. Jeiel, the father of Gibeon, whose wife's name was Maacah, dwelt in Gibeon. His firstborn son was Abdon, then Zor, Kish, Baal, Ner, Nadab, Gedor, Ahio, Zechariah, and Mikloth. And Mikloth begot Shimeam. They also dwelt alongside their relatives in Jerusalem with their brethren. Ner begot Kish, Kish begot Saul, and Saul begot Jonathan, Malchishua, Abinadab, Eshbaal. The son of Jonathan was Merib-Baal, and Merib-Baal begot Micah. The sons of Micah were Pithon, Melech, Tahriah, and Ahaz. And Ahaz begot Jerah. Jerah begot Almeth, Asmavath, and Zimri begot Moza, and Moza begot Beniah, Raphiah his son, Elisa his son, and Azel his son. And Azel had 6 sons, whose names were Azrikam, Bocheru, Ishmael, Sheariah, Obadiah, and Hanan. These were the sons of Azel. Guys, that's all for today's reading of 1 Chronicles chapter 9. It's our sincere hope that you see God's faithfulness in restoring his people and are encouraged to trust his plans in your own life. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Also, be sure to check out our other videos and playlists. There are some on screen now. Finally, don't forget to visit our website at oneshepherd.org, which is still in development, but is a growing resource for your walk with Christ. Again, thanks for spending time with us today. May God bless you richly, and we'll see you next time.